This lab is about the BGP path hijacking, a hijacking attack. A border gateway path is nothing but how the autonomous system travels data between among themselves. So they travel this data. I mean, they transfer data among themselves through the shortest path. So there are four autonomous system in this setup where the autonomous system 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 4 will act as a rogue autonomous system. That is one, the hijacker is there to spoil the IP route. There is a web service running in the autonomous system 3, and there is a host in autonomous 1 that is trying to connect to the web server. Uh, but the shortest path is A1, AS1, AS2, AS3. But as soon as the hijacker uh, uh, advertises it as a shortest path, all the traffic will be redirected to AS4 and then to 2 and then to 3. So now we will see the lab setup. There's a mininet VM where we have this is the mininet setup which we have. All the four rogue servers is generated to the Python script, and we have them running to see the to see the default route of all the between the autonomous system. We can connect to the autonomous one and see their convergence. So we see that all the traffic between autonomous 1 to 2 is goes through the autonomous 2 and then to 3. And now we start, there is a web service that is running. So we'll see the logs, how it is being connected to them. So that is done through. So now the H1 is connecting to through the default server. Now start a rogue server, rogue autonomous system, the AS4. So it starts advertising it as a shortest path. Once it has started advertising it and the AS1 update its routing path, you see that it goes through the attacker website. We see the logs changing, and then if we see the BGP route also, the all the traffic is going from that A1 and then to A4 and then to the destination part. Now you are no longer going to the AS3, you're going through the autonomous system 4's web server, which is being hosted. So this is a simple example of how BGP is done in a real world setup. So that's it. Thank you.